Hey Kryptonians, this is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another exciting video. Today is the 7th of May 2021 and we are one day away from Elon Musk appearing on Saturday Night Live, where we are expecting a possibility that he may mention something about Dogecoin. So we thought it would be fun to actually just kind of see what happens to the price of Doge as we move towards his appearance on SNL. Now, yesterday, Doge was sitting at maybe about 55, jumping around 53 cents. And today, let's just go over here to our little Magic Crypto portfolio. We can see it has jumped already around 6 cents. Okay, is this because everybody's anticipating the appearance of Elon Musk, or we know that it has already jumped around in the 60-cent range? And I just wanted to basically let you see, as we get closer, what could possibly happen. Let's just take a little bit of time to review. Okay, let's take some time to review what has happened in the past, and then we'll come back and play with our crypto portfolio a little bit. Let's just take a look at this article. This is in Auto Week. This was around February 23rd. Elon Musk now says Bitcoin price seems high. Okay, so on this particular article, around this time, what was going on was they had just purchased, Elon Musk and Tesla, they had purchased a 1.5 billion worth, okay, of Bitcoin. And right after this purchase, they come out and say, hey, I think, this is Elon Musk. He comes out and says, I think that Bitcoin and Ethereum are a little high. Was he upset about what he had to pay for his Bitcoin? I don't know. But right after he purchased it, and Bitcoin was sitting at about 57,000, we saw Bitcoin fall. It's just a fact. Right after he said that, Bitcoin fell. Okay? So, now it didn't stay down for long, but if you read through this, let's just read a little bit of this. Days after it was revealed that Tesla had purchased over a billion, 1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin some time in the last 2 months, company CEO Elon Musk has taken to Twitter to opine on Bitcoin values, just as the cryptocurrency ballooned to another record late last week. Tesla is believed to have made the mammoth purchase weeks prior to Musk's latest stream of comments about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies on social media. And prior to the announcement that the automaker would begin accepting Bitcoins for its cars. So, did Bitcoin go back up because we know that they'll accept Bitcoin to buy a Tesla? Did it go down because he thought he paid too much, or just said it was too much? Look at this. It also says, it says here that BTC and ETH do seem high, laugh out loud. In other words, he makes a casual reference that he thought Ether was too high also. Let's take a look at this this article here. We got about 3 examples here so you can see exactly what's going on. Look at this. Dogecoin price surges after tweets from Elon Musk and Mark Cuban. Dogecoin prices soared 20% in the last 24 hours to 32 cents. Now, this was written around Wednesday, April 28, 2021. And yeah, that's right. At the very beginning of this video, you saw that we have a 61 cent Dogecoin, and that was just less than 40 days later, less than a month later, the price of Doge had doubled Okay, we're almost double this now. Okay, but back then, I guess we'll put it that way, last month, it soared 20% off of a single comment. Okay, so they're alluding to these tweets that basically were put out by Elon Musk. Okay, Dogecoin skyrocketed on Wednesday after receiving some celebrity endorsements on Twitter. Uh, Dogecoin's price has soared 20% in 24 months, 32 cents. Okay, the meme-inspired cryptocurrency hit a record high above 45 cents earlier this month, sparking fears of a potential bubble in the crypto market. Initially started as a joke in 2013, Dogecoin is now the sixth largest crypto in the crypto space, okay, with a total market value of almost 42 billion according to CoinGecko. Well, you know what? Now I think it's number 5 now. Okay, so the thing about it is these comments made by these billionaires are having an effect on the currency. Okay? The billionaire Tesla CEO once called Dogecoin his favorite cryptocurrency and the people's crypto. Musk is also a supporter of Bitcoin, with his electric car company having amassed nearly 2.5 billion worth. Now wait a minute. Earlier, the article previous to this, it said 1.5 billion. This article says that Tesla has 2.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. I wonder, does he like Bitcoin more, or does he like Dogecoin more? You got an article saying that you just popping off and buying a billion, it seems like, every other month here. Let's look at another article here. And this is very recent. This is May 7th. Okay, it says Elon Musk sounds caution on cryptocurrency. Don't risk your life savings. Invest with caution. Is this his warning before he gets on SNL? Is this him trying to lay the foundation rehearsal of what he's going to say or what he's not going to say? Tesla's Elon Musk, a longtime proponent of cryptocurrencies, has sounded a note of caution for investors looking to gain from the boom in the prices of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin, and others. Tesla's Elon Musk, longtime proponent of cryptocurrencies, has sounded a note of caution for investors. I don't know. It just seems like the timing of this is almost rehearsed. Okay. First of all, I think people should not invest their life savings. This is him talking now. This is Elon. They should not invest their life savings in cryptocurrency. To be clear, I think that's unwise. This Tesla CEO warned in a video released by TMZ. I think that that's excellent advice. Okay, but let's keep going. So far in 2021, Elon Musk tweets have sent Bitcoin and Dogecoin prices soaring. Earlier this year, Musk added hashtag Bitcoin to his Twitter bio, which sent Bitcoin prices to record highs. Now, it's funny to me that they're going to basically say this guy just put pound Bitcoin in his Twitter feed, and that's what caused Bitcoin to soar. Whether the coin goes up or down, they're just going to say Elon did it. It just seems like they're going to say Elon. Elon made the Bitcoin go up. Elon made the Bitcoin go down. Elon made the Dogecoin go up. Elon made the Dogecoin go down. Now, I don't want to curse on this particular video. I'm trying to cut the cursing down. Okay? But these currencies are not just going up because of one man's comments. Okay? It's going up and down because of people's interest in these currencies from an investment standpoint and their interest in the blockchain technologies. Now, that being said, I do believe that Elon is a influencer. Okay? And as we near the SNL, I just want to make a point of note. We got a 61-cent Dogecoin. We got a $3,500 Ethereum, and we've got a $57,485 Bitcoin. We're looking at our portfolio here. Let's go ahead and just change this to say that, let's say you were fortunate enough to get in early, a $5,000 Bitcoin, and now you've got one Bitcoin. Let's say you were fortunate enough to get some Ethereum while they were a little bit lower than they are now, and let's say you got yourself about 10 Ethereum. Okay, let's say that you were one of those people that actually got in earlier. You know, maybe you bought in at 4 cents, or maybe you bought in at 8 cents when Elon first said something. Let's say you went out there and you spent I don't know, when it was 8 cents. Let's see what it would have been. Let's say you went out there and got yourself like 2,000 Dogecoin when it was 8 cents, and you've got yourself 160. Let's see, the Dogecoin, is that what it would be? Let me see. What would it be at 8 cents? 0.08 times, let's see, 2,000. Let's see, if you had $2,000 and you divided that by 0.08, you would have gotten about 25,000 Doge. Let's say you had 25,000 Doge right now. What would it be worth? Wow, it'd be worth about $15,000. Okay, and you would have only paid $2,000 for it. So that's probably a very likely scenario. A lot of people were slow to the draw. The people who aren't tracking cryptocurrency, aren't following it, like many of us have been following it on this channel. The people that are newbies probably bought their first Dogecoin, about a month ago when all the hype started, and it was around maybe about 8 cents then. And matter of fact, people were buying it at that 4, 6, 8 price point, not realizing that that was just the beginning. And in many ways, we're trying to figure out right now, when the Doge father arrives on SNL, Mr. Musk, is he going to say something which would make this current price, this 61-cent price, the origin story for Dogecoin? Will this be the point where everybody remembers what Dogecoin was before it was a $10 coin, before it became a $1 trillion market cap coin? Is this about to be that moment? Or will Elon not say anything at all? Maybe he won't say a thing. Maybe the SEC is watching him, and maybe that's why he made his comment warning people about cryptocurrency. Who knows? But we will find out very soon what happens when Elon Musk has something to say tomorrow night. And I'm hoping that he mentions something about Doge or Bitcoin or Ethereum. I don't know how he can get out of it, but I hope he says something just so we can see if it has some effect on the prices of these cryptocurrencies. If you've enjoyed this video, please throw up the likes and throw up the shares. And if you're not a follower of this channel, go ahead and subscribe. I promise you the content you will find valuable, entertaining, and it'll be something you might want to share with your friends and family. So with that, I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I will catch you on the next one.